everybody, Matty here with Altcoin Buzz. Happy Tuesday. We are discussing the Bitcoin Golden Cross today. We have news with regards to Enjin. They're launching a new initiative on the Ethereum mainnet. Enjin also has some potential partnership news. We'll discuss that, take a look at what the rumors are pointing to. There's other partnerships that are in the works right now, IBM and Fantom. IBM is also on the scene there, as is DigiByte. Lots happening in the crypto space. Let's first take a look at the markets today on coinmarketcap.com. We're creeping up nicely, $296.7 billion right now. Everything up a few percentage points today, which is always nice to see. Bitcoin up 4.59% and sitting right now at a price currently of $10,157 at the time of this recording. So back up over that 10K resistance mark. And many other projects, as you can see, notably the altcoins are up 5, 6, 7% or more. Tezos up 15.57% at the time of this recording. Bitcoin dominance up a little bit as well, 62.4%. A lot of the exuberance that we're seeing in the Bitcoin prices partly is due to the upcoming halvening, that's for sure. But analysts are also pointing to and referring to the Golden Cross. So what can you expect? Article here by Rachel. Bitcoin analysts are predicting a bull run due to the occurrence of the Bitcoin Golden Cross. You may have heard of this by now. According to analysis reports, Bitcoin's 50-day moving average recently crossed over its 200-day moving average. And this event has been dubbed as the, quote, Golden Cross, known to have taken place twice in the crypto space, and each time it spurred on a bullish pattern. It is a metric computed using the two most commonly used averages. Again, the 50-day moving average and the 200-day moving average. The first time this happened was October the 28th, 2015. The price of Bitcoin skyrocketed from about $300 into the stratosphere. And then it happened again on the 24th of April, 2019. At that time, Bitcoin was closer to $5,400 and it soared to closer to 14K in June, marking a huge price gain of about 165%. Among the supporters of a bullish Golden Cross movement is Fundstrat's Tom Lee. He predicted a 190% increase, stating quite plainly that Bitcoin might be priced at $27,000 in June of this year, rather July of this year, but that's just a few months away. Adding that due to the 200-day moving average, his prediction has an 80% chance of occurring. Wow, he's really quantifying the accuracy of his prediction there. At Yahoo Finance tweeting, highlight, quote, we're really optimistic on crypto and Bitcoin this year. Fundstrat's global advisors, managing partner, and head of research Tom Lee says, whenever Bitcoin breaks back into its 200-day, its average 6-month gain is 197%. So I guess what Tom is saying is that if history is any metric, or if it repeats itself, if it's anything that we can bank or depend upon, then it looks like we can expect to go up about 197%. So that figure would be 27,000 in July of this year. What do you guys think about that? Now we've got some pretty exciting Enjin news. At Enjin on Twitter, make sure you're following. For more than 2 years, we've been building an integrated ecosystem to help blur the line between imaginary and real. And today, we are thrilled to announce that a key element of this ecosystem, the Enjin platform, is now live on Ethereum mainnet. You can read more about it, of course, on enj.in/platform. We're covering this news on altcoinbuzz.io. Enjin launches game development platform on the Ethereum mainnet. Article by Ezekiel. Enjin has officially launched Mainnet. Congratulations and kudos to Enjin. It's a big deal because developers of any experience or blockchain coding knowledge level will now be able to create and manage their own blockchain assets, which then can be integrated into their apps and games. This launch opens up digital asset tokenization to about 26 million developers, which include 5.5 million Unity developers. The chief technical officer of Enjin, Wojtek Radomski, said the following, quote, for the last 12 years, minting, deploying, and managing blockchain assets has been a challenging process that required specialized knowledge. But this all changes today. We are beyond proud to be able to remove the barriers to blockchain adoption and make this exciting method of value creation available to individuals, developers, and businesses of all experience levels and industries. And this is very arguably a real step, a real tangible step toward mass adoption, which we all describe regularly and really all the time as being the holy grail of this space. Maxim Blagov, the CEO of Enjin, was also quoted as saying the following, quote, with our solutions, we aim aim to create a more prosperous games market for all, with new forms of social gameplay inspired by lifelike economies and mechanics that have never been seen before. Our platform is designed to integrate seamlessly into new and existing games alike, providing a competitive edge to studios of all sizes and across all genres. This really is a big deal, and our hats go off to Enjin. You can read more about it on the Enjin blog. We'll link to this in the description below. Again, Enjin platform is now live on the Ethereum mainnet. We have other news that is a little bit less official, but we're kind of speculating here at ShashXXX on Twitter. Why do you do this, Enjin? Again, I see another big brand in the Explorer after Microsoft, and it looks like people have been chattering about this for a little while. You'll note that we had the Microsoft, the Badger NFTs a little while ago that we kind of pointed to, and then look at that. They came out and announced that they were in some kind of a partnership, at least to some extent, with Microsoft. And now we're also seeing the BMW logo. Therefore, it only stands to reason that some of the rumors about them working in some capacity with the auto manufacturer may soon be confirmed or may soon be announced. It's hard to say. As you can see, this is available on enginx.io. There's really not any more information than just the logo there. However, as you can see, if this were a mistake, I would imagine that it would have been taken down by now. So nothing to really discuss at this point just yet, other than the existence of the logo here on the EnginX site. We'll come back to this and make sure that if once confirmed, depending on how you look at it, we're going to have more details and we'll elaborate on things. But this could be potentially the beginning of another very prosperous and fruitful relationship. At least we hope so. Speaking of relationships and partnerships, at Altcoin Buzz News tweeting the following: meaningful partnerships will be the trigger point of mass adoption. VID blockchain and IBM and Fantom FDN partnered to make use of blockchain for AI system data integrity. And you can read more about that, of course, on altcoinbuzz.io. So VID, IBM and Fantom partnerships, this by the project review team. Connecting AI and blockchain for data integrity is the goal. With an exciting industrial partner expected to be onboarded this week, VID's recent partnership with IBM and Fantom is a good start, to say the least. So a little bit about the partnership. IBM, of course, is a major player in the technology field, providing hardware, software, cloud-based services, and more. It has a strong presence in the tech industry as well. And the New York headquartered company is at the forefront of blockchain adoption, and VID is joining them. So VID has partnered officially with IBM, installing the first IoE sensor on the roof of the Netherlands headquarters. The aim here is to sense and analyze environmental data, and the data types would be, for example, levels of microdust, humidity, CO2, and temperature. Effectively, it will be helpful in reducing unnecessary energy use, helping create a healthy and comfortable environment for communities, and will help identify risks and problems even before they occur, so therefore in a preemptive way. And here's where Fantom comes into play. They aim to be the, quote, core of the new internet, with an ecosystem that is highly advanced in regards to security, speed, and scalability. They're therefore a great partner for VID and will provide consensus for distributed networks. So I think it's safe to say that it's been a good start to 2020 for these parties that are involved in this partnership, and VID just closed a deal with a global hardware player, so kudos to them. And with this, a number of clients will integrate VID tech into their product family. Stay tuned. Of course, we'll have more information available for you if and when it develops. Quick news today about DigiByte as well before we close things out at DGB_Foundation here on Twitter. The DigiByte Foundation is very excited to announce the partnership with SafeHaven.io. We are also very grateful to announce SafeHaven as our gold partner in sponsoring of the DigiByte Foundation. More details can be found here. So it's great to see these two organizations. We've worked with both of them in the past. We think they're both accomplishing tremendous things. Kudos to both on this partnership. Again, you can read more about this on the DigiByteFoundation.io. DigiByte Foundation and SafeHaven partnership. We'll link to this development in the description below and have more about this for you very soon. And that about wraps it up for today, everybody. Do be sure you're following us on all the regular social media channels and keep checking back into altcoinbuzz.io for all the latest. Go ahead, like, subscribe, share, and hit the bell to receive notifications if you've enjoyed today's video. Don't forget about our giveaway that is happening on Saturday. We'll be giving away another Crypto Tag Zeus starter kit. To participate, you got to make sure you're subscribed to Altcoin Buzz on YouTube. You got to make sure you like videos and you comment on videos. Best of luck if you do choose to enter that competition. Best of luck if you choose to invest on this hump day, but have a great one, everybody. And as always, we do hope to see you again soon in our next video. Take care.